Welcome to my channel, and I'm making a review of a driving test which was done recently. This video was contributed by one of my clients during her driving test. In the first stage, everything was going smoothly. Solid control, clear observation, and calm confidence behind the wheel. As we move into the second stage, things look promising until the unexpected happened. One minor fault followed by 3 critical errors quickly changed the tone of the test. That single fault had a potential to become an immediate fail. But in that crucial moment, my client stayed alert and reacted just in time to avoid the mistake. Let's take a closer look at what happened and the lessons every driver can learn from it. Keep an eye on the rear view mirror and watch the gray car. The distance between the gray car and us is very short. Be aware of it. What you should do here is to give yourself that little space by increasing the speed a little bit more. That way you have a safer gap. When safe, move to the right lane. The gap between the gray car and us is not very safe. The good thing is that this driver didn't take any evasive action. If he would have taken an evasive action, you would have immediately failed your driving test. Now we're going to do another lane change. This time we're going to change from the right lane to the left lane. Notice the distance between the white car and us. That's a very safe gap, and it's safe for you to move in. Remember, proper preparation prevents poor performance. We'll take the next exit out of the motorway. Mirror, signal, heat checks, and guide the car in. At the roundabout, we'll take the 4th exit to turn right. So remember the principles of approaching a roundabout. You're going to come in slow, you plan to stop, and look to go. It's always good to be aware of your surroundings while taking this roundabout, because this is a multi-lane roundabout, so you need to be aware of your surroundings, and you need to be aware of cars coming in from on your left hand side if you're in the inner lane. Mirror, signal, heat checks, and guide the car in. Since there's a lot of things happening at this roundabout, you need to be aware of your surroundings. Now, not only that, you got to look up ahead and prepare for your next move. Now, as you approach, you can see that the road merges, so you got to start preparing yourself early. Mirrors, signal, and do your head checks, and increase your speed if you have to, so that you match your speed with the traffic on the motorway. Now, once you're in the motorway, don't forget to check your mirrors often, preferably every 5 seconds or so. Just check your rear mirrors, because remember, you must also watch your speed. You must maintain your speed at 100 kilometers per hour, or probably plus minus 100 kilometers per hour. Exiting the motorway might seem simple, but doing it safely and smoothly requires planning, awareness, and timing. As you approach your exit, look for the exit direction sign and the deceleration lane. Only begin slowing down once you're in the lane, not while you're still on the motorway. This helps keep traffic behind you flowing smoothly and prevent sudden braking. As we come to the end of the motorway, keep an eye on the speed limit sign. This is where you made your first critical error. You were doing 60 in a 50-kilometer zone. When turning right onto a major road with a flush median, use the flush median only if there is traffic flowing in the left lane. If the lane is clear, move directly into the left lane instead of stopping on the median. In this case, hesitation and uncertainty about whether to use the flush median led to the second critical error. You maintain a safe speed of 30 km per hour through the roadworks. However, right after turning left, you accelerated and went over the speed limit. This became the third critical error. Always stay alert and keep scanning the road ahead. Watch for road signs and gather information early before making any driving decisions. Good driving is about being aware, not just reacting. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when a new content comes out. Meanwhile, drive safe out there.